And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to blur the background in an image. This will be our example image. You can find it as always via the description link. Just give it a new name and copy it by pressing Ctrl J 2 times. Make the original invisible, this will be our backup. Second layer is our blur layer and the first layer is our model layer. Grab the quick selection tool and have the model layer activated and select the model. Zoom a little bit in and we can get rid of parts of the selection by holding the Alt key. I will speed up the process a little bit. When you're happy with your selection, just click on Layer Mask and select and mask. Increase the radius just a little bit. Then use the Refine Edge Brush tool and have the plus activated and go over some edges that you may not like in your original selection and press OK. So now we've got a layer with only the model. We will take care of the blur now. You have to blur, layer activated, hold Ctrl and press on the layer mask of the model layer. Go to Select, Modify and expand your selection. Around 2 pixels should be fine for this image. Obviously you have to adjust it for your image if you use another one. Then right click, go to Fill, Content Aware and press OK. Photoshop takes some time to process. But now if we make the model layer invisible, we can see that the blur layer doesn't contain a model anymore. Press Ctrl D to deselect everything. Have the blur layer activated, go to Filter, Blur Gallery and Tilt Shift. We can increase the blur up here on the right side. That should be good. We can move the blur around. We can expand the blur with these lines and we can expand the gradient of the blur with the second line. We could even adjust the angle of it. We could give it a bokeh, but that doesn't fit for this image here. I think it's alright the way we have it right now. And there you have it. This was the original, and here we have our finished result with a blurred background. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.